yan maganda. Makeup lang yun. Honey, first of all, I am not maganda. I am gorgeous!
Request by Martina Sofia. Shoutout sa'yo, Padi Sanyo. So first go to your TikTok, then record your first clip. Go to my TikTok, then click my latest video, then click the audio. This idea is by Lini. Use the sound, then start recording. This is the first clip. And this is what I will teach you, but first save my video because we will use that later. Now go to CapCut app, new project, then add the first clip. Now add 3 video clip of yourself that more beautiful than the first clip. The duration is 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now we will add audio. Then add my video that you saved earlier.
Makeup lang yun. Honey, first of all, I am not maganda. I am gorgeous!
Choose the floodlight or choose other transition you want. Then adjust the duration of first transition to 0.9. Add again the floodlight transition, then apply to all and adjust the duration. Adjust until your video fit to the audio. Pante na. Now we will add effects. This is optional. Click prog from mood. Then adjust the length. Add effects again. Add aura from mood. Now add animation for every picture combo, wobble. Done. This is the result. Now export it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Ay,